Why is your hands dirty?
Maybe scared of chickies, but she loves them. Ah! I think it's poopy.
Run! Run! Call it, Nicole. Call it.
Oh, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I'm dumb.
Kulihin na po namin ha, 7 days mo sila hindi pwedeng paliguan. Pagka...
Saan punta?
Puntahan daw. Pwede lang daw.
Hey, we're baking again. Bake the... false alarm. I thought we were gonna be baking today. I'm sorry, we're gonna do it next time. We have no time. We're at Mo's instead. Busy. Happy birthday to you. Ayan. Happy 30th birthday. You're a dead birdie.
Zek, fish. Ang dami ko may sabog.
Cups. Oh, wait. Hello. How are you? Are you okay from the bus travel?
No, I have enough sleep so I can drink.
I gotta include you guys in the vlog thing. Lola, Dad, Lolo, Mama, and here's our house. Home away from home in secret location.
Guys, alam mo yung kapitbahay namin, naamoy namin? Sabi ko, ay, pala ko pang agahan niya, tinira niya agad ng gabi ng amoy.
Happy birthday to you. You belong to somewhere. Sisin daw ni Kuya. Paco Church.
Bang doon. Inilipat siya doon.
Look at that. Doon nakatira si Hunchback. Doon sa taas. Oh, parang ganun. Bulalo. Ano ito? Didakdakan to, diba?
This one is dinakdakan.
Kare-kare.
Kare-kare, and this is
Dinuguan.
crispy dinuguan.
Ay, sarap.
Hey, another old-looking bell tower. Different from the other one. We're in Lawag. This is the Lawag Church. So hot. So hot, my skin is burning. Sun. Where are you? Wherever you are. Close up.
Kapilasa ko yung look na parang kuweba.
Oh. This is an old church. The story of the Pauay Church is just, it's an old church. Ito may pagkain dito. Mas may, Tapos may souvenirs sa ron. Magnificent church and the unforgiving sun. Are we trespassing? Kuchard. We are certainly trespassing.
Tayo ka nga dyan.
Saan? Ayan, tingnan mo sila. Ang ganda ng mga suot nila.
Wait. Mabali na nga umay.
Oh. Holy. We're gonna ride. We're gonna go wee on this thing. Yo! We're gonna do sand dunes today. I hope we survive. Stop the car! Ba't tayo malay? Nasa hira-hira.
Ay, awanan na tayo po nun.
Buti na lang you didn't hear me scream.
Cellphone mo. Oh, ang tapang ah. Sub-sub to.
Ba't dapat?
May bayad daw eh.
Ilagay natin sa cellphone.
Thank you, sand dudes. I had fun. We had fun. Did you have fun?
No.
I'm sorry. It's not. I inerted. I inerted at her. Rugged. Ang sungit mo. Ha? I'm pretty sure this is not legal or safe, but I'm doing it. We're doing it. Like, oh, pag bigla siyang uminto, lilipad tayo rin, di ba? Parang may kasama ka pag lumipad ka. Hindi. Arty? Sarap.
Masyadong malusog. Dapat kagayin niyo ako na 130,000. Because you know, even ngayon are very good nga ubing. Dapat ganyan kayo kapayat because
Food trip. Food trip.
Ollie. 4 ollies. Oh, 3 lang.